We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down.
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to Shoeperfly. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Shoeperfly or a don't buy. So without further ado, surprise! That's right, you're not seeing things. It's the C7 skate gear roller skates. So I had to switch things up a bit and take it to the streets, literally. Card says, we highly recommend that you try on your skates indoors and on a smooth carpeted surface to ensure proper fit before using them. So recently, I don't know if many of you caught at least a glimpse of the push for peace news, but skaters from California to Texas and beyond laced up their skates and hopped on their skateboards and skates in unison to peacefully protest and show support in a push for peace with the Black Lives Matter movement and protests of police brutality. Maybe you caught Devin Romo and others in Long Beach, or even the skate kid in DC. But skaters from all over have been hopping on their mini wheels for some of the most impactful communal rides and solidarity. And let me just say, in record numbers. Now I know skates aren't actually shoes, and this is Shoeperfly. But bear with me for a sec, because skates are appearing more and more in shoe form, like the Moschino Teddy roller skate sneakers for $248 and the Fila skate shoe for $112, not to mention Heelys. But I just had to offer them up here in support of the recent skaters movement in a way of curbing my boredom and quarantine. Besides, I remember back in the day hanging with my girls at the roller rink or being at Venice Beach and watching the skating professionals do their acrobats. And not to mention those hot summer field days skating with my mother through Golden Gate Park. With the sun shining, sunscreen glistening, the sound of skate wheels gliding along the pavement, some of these push for peace skating events have also been in direct benefit of others, with some of the donations going towards providing skateboards for underprivileged kids. Now that's fly. Shoeperfly. That's what I'm talking about. You feeling it yet? A little, maybe? Just a little bit? Think about it. With quarantine draining us dry, I thought I'd get you caught up in some end of the summer fun, remembering those crazed roller skating days or sun-filled memories of being a kid, having fun with your skin kissing up against the wind and gliding past the world with not a care in the world. So I encourage you to do as I did and go get you a pair of skates like the C7 skate gear roller skates. And I got the boot form for the old school style, and because honestly I haven't skated in a while, and if I had bought a pair like the Moschino Teddy roller skates and jacked them up from falling all over the place, I'd be pissed. Hear me? Pissed. So I went with a pair that are Shoeperfly, won't show much of the damage, my damage from falling and skiing, and look really cute though on while I'm getting my roll on and falling all over the place. Talk about versatile fun. This cool retro design takes it back to the good old days, not just with looks, but with functionality too. No fancy bells and whistles here or complicated high-tech features, just awesome simplicity, which isn't a bad thing, right? As this is just one sleek skate that does it all. Whether you're just cruising through the roller rink or testing your limits, the C7 skate gear roller skates here in a women's size 9, sorry, no half sizes, from Amazon.com. That's right, I said it, Amazon.com. Move with you so you're sure to have a blast no matter how you roll. Get it? How you roll? Okay. They also make a great gift for beginners or those like me who haven't skated in over a decade. These ultra cool, retro styled, high performing quality wheels makes for a Shoeperfly style for skaters who are just getting a feel or a refill for their skate style. The interior PVC, let's get a look at that yet. The interior PVC support protects the ankle and gives plenty of structure for safe skating, while the premium, durable, and reliable construction ensures a safe and efficient skating experience. The 54 by 32 millimeter 95A PVC wheels are extra soft for easy grip, while the wide suspension trucks provide stability and balance for better traction, control, and maneuverability. The retro boot style is classic with high top boot, colorful black laces here for a pop of color, and durable fox leather material that is flexible, comfortable, and long lasting. Yes, you heard me right. Fox leather. These are not made of genuine leather, but still Shoeperfly with this fun, hardy design in a playful style of classic black. The C7 skate gear roller skates is also offered in classic pink, pink blue, and white pink in adult and youth sizes. A word to the wise. Roller skates are so very hard to come by these days as everyone is getting in on the craze. I'm serious. As I was trying for months to cop a pair of any roller skate, I looked from high end to low end and couldn't come across any until I came across these. I wouldn't say I settled because I don't settle. As I definitely went with a pair more my style for my level of experience and determination in getting my roll on. So not just the Shoeperfly shoe, well, Shoeperfly boot skate, but a Shoeperfly trend with some Shoeperfly news to go with it. And as an added bonus for letting me do my thing, I got you with another shoe review, an actual shoe review to follow this one. So thanks for supporting me in my efforts to get my roll on and my exercise on. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.